Welcome to this Android channel, and yes, we are reactivating the Android channel, so lots of things coming up. So I had started reactivating it in the past year. Did look at it, but eventually, there's a lot I'm doing with other channels, and you get to a point where you're not really sure. The fact that I don't have access to a lot of devices is making it complicated because a lot of each phone has its own system, has its own different little tweaks and changes and things. So when you show something on one phone, it's different on another phone. It makes it very complex in the Android ecosystem. Now, thanks to my nephew, I have access to more phones because of his work. So that means that I'll have access to a lot of Android phones on which I can do demonstrations and explain things and even review. That means we're going to have a lot more to talk about here. One of the things that I am examining is that, of course, Android is the dominant operating system pretty much around the world, which means a lot of people want to learn more about them and about their own phones and their devices. And I think one of the things that is nice is that by having access to a nice number of phones and Android devices, I'll be able to explain in details and reach the majority of you guys out there that each have different types of phones and devices using Android. So this is kind of the start. We'll start slowly in the next week. It's not going to be, really big. I will do general Android videos to kind of maintain and try to bring viewership a little back. But starting early September, this is going to change, and we're going to start having a lot more videos on the channel. And one of the things you can do, if you watch my channel, if you've watched this video, let me know what would you like to see for Android videos. What would be of interest to you in Android videos? And we'll be, of course, looking at all of this. And we'll, of course, talk about the Google environment in general here, as Android and Google are, of course, pretty much, together, Google being the company behind Android. So I think it's going to be nice to examine and talk about everything Android and Google, and of course all the different manufacturers with their different phones. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.